Good morning children, good morning to everyone. Welcome to Gurukula Vidyalaya online classes. Okay children, previous class we learned about some one or two problems from the mensuration. So only one problem is completed from the mensuration. So before starting these problems, all of you by heart the formulas very important. So many formulas I was given in from this. So all of you by heart this formulas. Second problem, that is we do the second problem. Mr. Kaushik has a square plot with the measurement as shown in the figure. She wants to construct a house in the middle of the plot. A garden is developed around the house. Find the total cost of developing a garden around the house at the rate of 55 per square meter. Children, first try to understand what is given. Mr. Kaushik has a square plot is there. So once observe the figure, all of you. Then the square plot is in there. So what is the side of the square plot? 25 meters. Okay, each side how much it is there? 25 meters are there. So in all sides what the length will be there? Same or not? The square plot, all the sides are same. So in all sides what the length will be there? 25 meters will be there. Okay, she wants to construct a house in the middle of the plot. So this is the square plot. Okay, but he wants to construct the house in the middle of the plot. So that house is it in rectangular shape it is there or square shape it is there? Because already length is there. By observing the length we can find it. Okay, it is constructed in rectangle or square. So in rectangular way it is constructed because the length is 20 meters is given and the breadth is 15 meters is given. But the plot is what? Square plot because all sides are same in length. Okay, so he wants to construct the house in the middle of the plot. A garden is developed around the house. Find that a garden is developed around the house. Okay, in the plot, house is there. So around the house he wants to. That means this is totally considered as a garden. Okay. So clearly see, a garden is developed around the house. Okay, find the total cost of developing a garden around the house at rate of 5 per square meters. She wants to develop the garden around the house. Okay. But how much amount he has to spend per square meter? 55 rupees. Per square meter, he wants to spend 55 rupees. So that means, first of all, if you want to total how much money you have to spend on this. Okay. See, find the total cost of developing a garden. So total amount, how much total amount he wants to spend for developing that garden. That means first what you have to find it? You have to find, first of all, what is the total area of the garden you have to be finding. Then only you will get the total cost. Okay. Suppose total area of a garden is 10 square meters are there. Suppose for example. So what is the per square meter? What is the cost is given? 55 meters is given. Okay. 55 rupees is given. So that is 10 meters means 10 into 55. How much? 550. So total how much amount will be spent? 550 rupees. For example, and say. Like that only. First of all, you have to find it. What is the total area of the garden? What is the total area of the garden? Then only you can find the total cost of amount what you want to spend for developing the garden in that area. Okay. So let us write some steps. First of all, we have to find the area of a garden. That is how we will get children. Area of a garden means see already so many times last year also we learned about this one. So total plot is square plot. Total plot is square plot, but house is in rectangular shape. Okay, so area of a garden is. So first, what is given? Right? It given length of a plot or side of a plot. Side of a square plot is equal to 25 meters. Children, what the given clues, what the given measurements in the problem? First of all, you have to write it in this here. Side of a square plot is equal to 25 meters. Okay, that is the square plot measurement is given. Okay, coming to the house. House measurements. Length and breadth are there. So length of a house is equal to how much? 20 meters. So breadth of a house or width of a house how much? 15 meters. Okay. So side of a square part is given, length of a house is given, and breadth of a house is given. So that is we have to find area of a garden. How we get area of a garden? Area of a garden is equal to, how you will get area of a garden? You have to remove the area of a house from the total area of a square plot. Yes or no? If you remove the area of a house from the total area of a square plot, okay, so then the remaining area is considered as a garden. So that means, so area of a square plot minus area of a house. If you want to get the area of a garden means you have to remove the area of a house from the area of a square plot. Okay. So that is equal to area of a square plot. That means area of a square only. No? So already side is given. What is the area of a square formula? S into S. Side into side minus. What is the area of a house? Rectangle. No? Length into breadth. So L into D. Okay, children. See. So let us already. I think you all are by heart the formulas. Area of a square, perimeter of a square, area of a rectangle, perimeter of a rectangle. All so many forms are given. Okay. So what the next step you will do it? Side into side. Side of the plot. How much is given? 25. That means 25 meters into 25 meters minus. Now length and breadth of a rectangle. So length is 20 meters. Okay. So into breadth is 15 meters. 25 square. 25 into 25. That is 25 square. How much? 25 is 625. 625 square meter. Because here in units also should multiply, children. Meters into meters, square meters. Okay. Minus 20 into 15. Very simple multiplication. Suppose 20 15s are, you don't know. 15 2s are, or 15s are 30. Here one more 0 is there. Put 1 0. Now meters into meters, square meters. So that is equal to 625 minus 600 is 325 square meters. What is the area of a garden? Area of a garden is 325 square meters. Okay, children. First of all, if you want to know the total cost of for developing a garden, so what you have to find it? First of all, you have to find the total area of a garden. Okay. Continue. See. Now, what the cost it is given per square meter? How much it is given? 55 rupees it is given. Okay, na? So cost of for developing the garden per square meter. Cost for developing the garden per square meter. Already it is given how much? 55 rupees it is given. Okay. Now we have to find the total cost of developing the garden. Therefore, total cost developing the entire garden. So that is equal to, so how much meters it will be? 55 rupees per square meter. Per square meter means what? 1 square meter. What is the cost per square meter? 55 rupees. Now total how many square meters are there? 325 square meters are there. Okay. So that means what? 325 into 55 rupees. So just multiply it. 325 into 55. 5 5 25. 5 plus 10 plus 2 12 16. Again 5 table only now. Same numbers will become 5 2 6 1. 5 7 8 7 1. 17,875 rupees will come. Okay. So total amount 17,875 rupees. He should be spent for developing total garden. Understood, children? So very important problem, but it is very easiest problem. So first of all, you have to know how to find the area of a garden. Okay, don't be confused in that. Okay, suppose. So first take the total square plot, total area of the house. So remove the total area of a house from the total square plot. Then automatically we will get the area of a garden. Already garden you will get it, and the area will come in square meters. Per square meter automatically already is given 55 rupees. So total how much square meters it is there? 325. So 325 into 55, how much you got? 17,875 rupees. He wants to spend for developing the total garden. Okay, children. So once again check the problem. If you have any doubts, ask me. Okay, coming to the next problem. Third one. The shape of a garden is rectangular in the middle and semicircular at the ends as shown in the diagram. Find the area and perimeter of this garden. So length of the rectangle already is given. So all of you try to understand this problem. Now I will try to do this. Okay, children. The third problem. A shape of a garden is rectangular in the middle and semicircular at the ends as shown in the diagram. Find the area and perimeter of the garden. Okay. So totally the garden is given in this shape. What is given in the middle? It is a rectangular shape. Okay. And at the ends what is given? Semicircular ends it is given. Okay. So you have to find area and perimeter both. So like this different kinds of figures you don't have area and perimeter formulas. But separately you have to divide the given figure into support. You have to divide the given figure into regular figures. Okay. Okay. First of all, say observe this one. Up to here, that means top to bottom, what is given? 20 meters like this it is given. Okay. But here what is given? 7 meters it is given. So we have to obtain that length and the breadth values of the rectangle. At the same time, we have to get the radius and the diameter of the same values. So how to get the values? See once more. First of all, totally length of a suppose rectangular part I was taken. From the given figure we get length of a rectangle. See this problem, children, all of you observe the figure because total explanation is in the figure only. How to find the length of a rectangle? Only this much part we want up to here. Okay, so this is the breadth, this is the length. So in rectangle opposite sides are equal. Okay, so these two sides are equal, these two sides are equal. Okay, now top to bottom including this 2 also. Okay, so total how much it is given? 20 meters it is given. From this 20 meters I have to get the length of the rectangle only. I have to get only the length of the rectangle. So how to remove it? See, first of all, children, these two are semicircles. Okay. Okay, from what is this in semicircle? What is this part? So this is the diameter. What is the diameter it is given? 7 meters it is given. So this is also same length only, this is also 7 meters diameter it is there. Very good. Okay. But in this, that means the breadth of a rectangle I got it. It is very easy to get it breadth. But how to get length? Okay. From suppose this is the center of the semicircle. This is center. Here to here what will be there? Radius no. Here to here radius. Very clearly observed children. Very important problem, very tough problem. So the diameter is 7 meters. Then what becomes the radius? So what the radius? Half of the diameter is the radius. Already we know that half the diameter is the radius. Radius is equal to d by 2. That means diameter is 7 by 2. So that is equal to 3.5 meters. For the radius, 3.5 meters. 3.5 meters. So this part and this part have to be removed. Okay. So length of a rectangle is totally 20 meters. I am removing. So this 2 radius I am removing. That means I will get the perfect length of the rectangle. That means 3.5 one and other end also 3.5. Okay, meters. That means 20 meters minus 3.5 plus 3.5, 7 meters. So that is equal to 20 minus 7, 13 meters. What is the length of a rectangle? 13 meters. So what is the breadth of a rectangle? So breadth of a rectangle is nothing but diameter of a semicircle. So breadth of a rectangle is 7 meters. Length of a rectangle is 13 meters. So I can get length and breadth values to find the area. Okay, that means area of a rectangle form is L into B. So easily I can multiply it means I will get the area of a rectangle. But in this area also I want this semicircle area and this semicircle area. See children, very important thing is both the semicircle having the same radius. Okay, not a different radius. Both the semicircles are having same radius. Then that two semicircle we consider as a one circle. Understood? One circle. That means if two semicircles are attached to each other, then what you will get it? One big circle will get it. Okay? That means that area of a circle you can find it easy or not. So area of a circle is equal to, okay, area of a circle is equal to, so what area will get it? Area of a semicircle plus area of a semicircle. That means area of a total circle. So 2 pi r. Sorry, pi r square. Area of a semicircle is pi r square. So that is equal to 22 by 7 into what is the r square? R square means 3.5. 3.5 into 3.5. Okay, children. See, children. 35 how many is equal to 7 table? Actually 35, 5 times. But here 3.5, that means 0.5 times. Okay, here very easy multiplication. See. So that is equal to 22 into 0.5. That is half. 22 half. How much? 11 into 3.5. 11 into 3.5. So 35 ones are 35. 3 will be there. 35 ones are 35 plus 3, 38. So 1 is to keep the point. 38.5 square meters. Area of a circle is 38.5 square meters. So already you have a length and a breadth of a rectangle. So that is fine, that area also. Area of a rectangle formula what? What is the area of a rectangle formula? Length into breadth. Length into breadth. So area of a rectangle is equal to length into breadth. So that is equal to length means how much it is there? 13 meters. Breadth how much it is there? 7 meters. 7 13s are 91 square meters. 7 that is 91 and centimeters square meters. So both area of a rectangle I got it, both area of a square I got, circle I got it. Okay now? That means I can consider the total area of a given object or not. So total area of a garden, total area of a garden is equal to, so these two areas you can add it. area of a circle plus area of a rectangle. Area of a rectangle. So area of a circle, how much you got it? 38.5 square meters plus 91 square meters. So that is equal to 38. First of all, don't confuse about the decimal number. So 38, this is 91. Okay, 38 is the whole number part or not? This is 91. Okay. So 91 and 38 added. How much it is base? 129 and 0.5 is the remains. So 0.5 square meters. 129.5 square meters. Children understood? So this is the total area of a garden is 129.5 square meters. So for this area is completed. What the next how do you find it? Perimeter of garden. That means total perimeter, how do you find it? Perimeter means up to here rectangle is there, but here arc is there. So you have to find the total boundary of the garden. Total boundary of the garden you have to be finding. So let us find the perimeter of a garden. Let us find the perimeter of a garden. Okay. So that means you have to find the total boundary of the garden. So perimeter of a garden is equal to what the perimeters will be added? Perimeter of a rectangle and perimeter of a, that means perimeter of a rectangle plus what is this? Semicircle. So perimeter of, that means circumference of two semicircles. Okay. Here perimeter of a rectangle, that means 2 into L plus B. Okay. Plus circumference of two circles. Circumference of two circles. I told you already that circumference means already this one, this length, that is the breadth of a rectangle is already included in this figure. Okay, understood? So no need to take the diameter of this semicircle. That is very important thing. So many what they will do, already you find the perimeter of a rectangle, again you have to find perimeter of the each semicircle. That is not correct because you have to find outer boundary only, not a inner lines. Okay. So outer boundary means what? Up to here and this one. That means just we know that we can find it. The perimeter means length and breadth. Already the breadth will be included in this. Okay. So perimeter means what? The outside figure. That means these two arcs. That means complete circumference of a circle. Okay. So circumference of a circle. That means what? So what is circumference of a circle formula? 2 pi r. So 2 into L plus B. 2 into L plus B. Okay, sorry here. Perimeter means, so these two lengths only we needed, not a perimeter of a rectangle. I just small mistake. So here, because the inside lengths you no need to find it. Yes or no? Only the two lengths only you can find it. So inner lengths you no need, because of the outer boundary you are considered as the perimeter. So 2 into length of a rectangle. 2 into length of a rectangle. So 2L, this is 2 into L plus circumference of a two semicircles, that means circumference of a circle 2 pi r. 2 into L. L means how much? 13. Okay, 13 meters plus 2 pi r, 2 into 22 by 7 into radius is 3.5. So 0.5 times. Okay, so that is equal to, children very carefully listen, 13 2s are 26 plus 22 2s 44 and 44 into 0.5, that means 44 by 2, that means 0.5 means, so 22. So that is equal to 26 plus 22, 48. So 48 meters. Okay. So the total perimeter of a garden is 48 meters. This is the answer for this problem. Children, very clearly you have to be observe it. Okay. So here first of all one garden is given in the different shape. So in this garden what the shapes are included? 2 semicircular shapes are included and 1 rectangle shape also included. Okay. So here you have to find 2 things, area and perimeter. Area means the total space of the inner part. Okay. So inside of the figure. Perimeter means only the total length of the outer boundary. Those 2 things are very important. So in the space means you have to find this area of a rectangle. You find the two areas of the semicircles. At the same time, perimeter means what? The total outer length of the boundary you have to be find it. Okay, that means these 2 lengths of a rectangle and the 2 arcs. That means 1 circumference of the circle will be getting. So those lengths we have to be find it. So like this we will get the answer, children. So once again revise it. So once again step by step check it all of you. Very important problem. Okay. So before doing these problems, I am telling you all the formulas by heart it very well. Otherwise, it is very difficult to do it. Okay. Thank you.